Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Mercedes E-Class. Let's begin. To start off, this car comes in many different variants and many different engine sizes. These range from the E250, which is a diesel, all the way to a E63 AMG, which is a 6.3 liter naturally aspirated engine. The E250 is a 2.1 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine with 195 horsepower. This car is said to reach over 1,000 kilometers a tank. It's not one of the fastest E-classes, but it gives you good fuel efficiency. The E350 and 400 are more performance-based and more aggressive. Giving you more than 300 horsepower, this car drives and feels amazing. The car transitions its smoothness and power onto the road very seamlessly. It is arguably one of the best designed Mercedes and has a lot of space inside and is very comfortable. The car offers you all the gizmos and gadgets. Along with this, the interior is made with high-end materials. This car has been really important to Mercedes history, representing the mid-size Mercedes sedan. This car gives a classy vibe, along with giving a new design and new style to the E-Class. The E-Class carries itself as a luxury sedan, whichever car you park it beside. What I'm boiling down to is that the design was well ahead of its time. The cuts, the curves, the resemblance of the past historical Mercedes E-Class. All this positioning, it shows you how good of a job they did on this car. It also comes in a wagon form, which is also really cool because it has 7 seats and it has the space, extra trunk space in the back. For under $15,000, you may not get the wagon or the AMG version, but you can find the first 3 levels that we talked about, the first 3 displacements, which are good buys for under $15,000. This car can easily pass off as a really expensive car. People can see it and it looks like a $50,000, $60,000, even $100,000 car because of that Mercedes badge. There have been many owner reviews of the E-Class, all of them saying that the E-Class is a reliable car. Many have had the E-Class from 150,000 to 200,000 kilometers, and they all say that it's a reliable car and it does not give many issues. However, with this being said, from my research, the car does have some common issues like some electronic issues, suspension issues, and valve covers and aging auxiliary batteries. But this is not a big issue. This happens really down the line. Most owners also say that it's a reliable car after 200,000 kilometers, which is a good sign. Driving a luxury car like Mercedes, you have to expect and you need to know that the maintenance cost is going to be higher than something like your traditional Honda and Toyotas. Parts and labor are more expensive. Compared to everything in its class, Mercedes is amongst the more reliable vehicles. They provide luxurious vehicles with power and class. That's exactly what you get when you buy an E-Class. It's hands down one of the best vehicles you can buy for the price point. A used one runs around $15,000, which is amazing. When it was brand new, this car was selling for at least $60,000 for the entry-level E-Class models. And with the E63 AMG being around over $100,000, right now you can get these cars for amazing deals. And this is probably the most value that you can be getting out of a car in this price range. If you need a luxury car and if you don't want to break the bank, this is the vehicle for you. I really like pointing out vehicles that stand out and the best vehicles for certain price points, and this is one of those cars that is the best at the $15,000 mark. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which cars or which brands you'd want me to cover next. Thank you.